Welcome to Architecture Case Study. We come again with a new architecture project. I hope you enjoy this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our project name is m.o.r.e. Cabin. Architects, Kariouk Architects. Area, 1,000 feet squared. Photographs, Scott Norsworthy. City, Wakefield, Quebec. Country, Canada. The paradigmatic North American cottage is romanticized as a wilderness log cabin. Nonetheless, typical cottages are woodsy versions of suburban homes with every modern convenience. These buildings sustain the myth that appearing to be one with the land equates to a reduced impact on the environment. The m.o.r.e. cabin inverts this idea through a separation from the landscape that is more sustainably constructed than other cottages. This unraveling of eco-fictions is not cynical, but optimistic. While organic environments are being degraded, what remains can be engaged more responsibly. To this end, m.o.r.e. cabin touches the land lightly through, interpreting the law creatively to uphold its principles. Reducing foundation size through a steel mast. Low waste cross-laminated timber structure. Achieving greater tensile strength through a folded structure. Off-grid power and high-efficiency heating. Creating a home for endangered bats. Interpreting the law with finesse. Zoning rules required a 100-foot setback from the lake. A cliff face at that 100-foot mark was incorporated into the design, whereas conventional construction approaches would entail blasting. To minimize harm to the hillside and forest, a zoning variance was obtained to allow the front of m.o.r.e. cabin to hover above, rather than sit on, the 100-foot mark. The mast. The technical solution to the environmental issue involved a single concrete footing and a steel mast placed within the required setback. Avoiding a conventional large foundation preserved the watershed and prevented erosion, as did elevate the construction zone. The use of carbon-intensive concrete was also reduced for a lower carbon footprint. m.o.r.e. than one way to skin a home. m.o.r.e. cabin is built with suitably sourced CLT panels and glulam beams. The CLT was milled off-site and then hoisted into place, avoiding damage to the landscape by the maneuvering of construction machinery. Cabin as beam. m.o.r.e. cabin's environmental considerations yielded structural innovation. Our challenge became to develop a structural strategy using cantilevered CLT panels as a response to the zoning variance that we obtained. CLT is fundamentally deployed in vertical/compressive sections, not horizontally in tension. Conventional 5-ply CLT is too heavy to support itself over longer spans. The solution used thinner 3-ply CLT, with structural capacity ensured through folding, just like paper gains strength when folded. Off-grid. The home is solar powered. The elevated cottage catches more breezes and has excellent cross ventilation. Heat is provided by a high-efficiency green carbon wood stove. Good R-value and thermal comfort are provided by CLT's mass, and precise joinery provides air tightness. Inviting over the neighbors. One goal of the home was to create extensive lodging for endangered brown bats. Bat pods were integrated into the mast to provide safety from climbing predators and a clear flight path to the lake. m.o.r.e. stands for the client's grandmother's names, all of whom did more with less, and gracefully so. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and family.